Wagwan ENT.
Okay, now disrespect this man, make man come and dance and then no come, man. Cause me know me pointed sharp man Beverly, you know me. We me pointed sharp man Beverly, me pass out the road and some people not even see me. Anyway, good night. Come rude boy. Now we come up with the mic to the television selection.
And dangerous need but terror on everybody there. Wicked is on front creation, don't set things straight and make things look pretty like Sunday morning. Shaping a manner that you could never regret when you come here this. And also boy, this straight to your face, Jeremy Lee. Dedicate this one straight and your man. Alright, good.
Come in, Yosh.
Move up, little idiot, somebody. See how many little box them and move from that sucker when the week come on different thing when body as you come, little Jeremy. Jerry, who is me want you to move up. Me want you to move up. Me want you to move up. Well, if it's so why move up, move up, move up, move up. Well, I'm just out of fierce. We then flush it in the
now, Papa Jara, come in now. Hold on. Now, Jara, as we walk in, me a little chip out thing. I'm going to come step up my boots. Because when original front teeth, gold teeth, and gag and brush teeth with toothpaste coming, then I can teeth thing. Pick up your boots, here.
Well, like when you come, you want to set the pace.
All Central is red massive. The good Santa Cruz people.
I'll try massive. Every song, why move up, move up, move up.
Mighty, little Johnny Wonder say.
Move up, move up, move up, move up. In a need of tonight. Every song, why move up, move up, move up, move up. In a need of tonight. Move up, move up, move up, move up. In a need of tonight. Come tonight, tonight. Killamanjaro, I go kill a sound boy. It's my sound boy, try contest with getting body. Distress, I'm the skin, me a skin. I'm not a joke, we are make. Well, let me sound boy, move up, move up, move up, move up. In a need of tonight. Move up, move up, move up, move up. In a need of tonight. She's the ashes of dust to dust. Killamanjaro come first. That I know I so quite by the dust of me so quite move up, move up, move up, move up. In a need of tonight. Because I can't keep on up.
How my selector? First rascal thing as me come, you know. Me want to know why. Come road boy, make me ask the people them why. And tell them why me wonder why. Being a man one. Now no listen to the Dan. Me and the Dan Gagan. Yeah, yeah, Mr. Lee. Me wonder why them not come. Why them not come? Me wonder why the next one boy. They wonder why them not come. Me wonder why them not come. And the new talk for this year. Being a man on one. Now no listen to the Dan. I ask one question. Now look, me wonder why them not come. Why them not come? Me wonder why the sound boy when me come for no come. Then what's when Jara come? Them not come. Cause before 12 o'clock me know that me get licked down. You know say teeth and tongue at tongue me have 32 teeth and me hungry up 2 gum out and mix me tongue between me gum and just fling 2 lyrics and make the whole of them drop down. You know, hear the lyrics when we that talk on them now, and if them talk it like this, them would that tie up them tongue. Me is the original front teeth, gold teeth and gag and come brush teeth with toothpaste and me not thinking gum. Don't make easy. Chama. Any guy talk like that, man, him bite off all in lip. Being a man on one. No listen to the Dan. I no must understand. If them dead, you would have. I would have just kill them and done. Kill them and done. I would have come away sometime. I would have just kill them and done. Me tell them kill them and done. Kill them and done. I don't think I joke me I make tonight. I would have just kill them and done because you see them I run and talk about. See them I come out that tell them which part of them under woman pussy tongue and which part of them use them out and put under bottom. I'll go and I lie me I tell. Me no business you know me coming like mother lashing more than 42 tongue. Just like how me a bad boy with 42 gun and never pussy ever test me just shut it down. You think I'm magnum me I use the mathematics gun I hit see one for salary bumbo tongue. Me telling them kill them and done. Kill them and done, you know me. Come in Hammermouth, you come go and run the dance it up. Come in, Daddy Shark, me just come make me cool out. Play by the sounds, can't dance the chariot, female shot, son of passion. You know, star, man, all of the body, I know one puna. Some man, all of the body, I know one punani. Hey, jump around, can you love punani? And ball it out, can you love punani? Punani crazy way, punani crazy. We punani crazy way, punani crazy. And anywhere we go, we know we wind down was it. Me say if you think I like you, want to check out Hammer. Me say if you think I like you, want to check out Ninja. Me say if you think I like you, want to check Chopper. Punani crazy way, punani crazy. We punani crazy way, punani crazy. I just say punani, make we go ugly. We nearly broke it and we nearly chip up with me. Well, easy Jeremy Lee, me say me know you're cool. You punani crazy, you punani crazy. You punani crazy, you punani crazy. You can't stay true and you ram party. You still bad up dance a town, bad up dance a country. And anywhere you go, me know you wild and wassy. You punani crazy, you punani crazy. Peace. Come in, troops.
I come, and I select a new player you like Militant Richie Stevens selection for the first time, Jed. Kind of know, you run things for years and without fears.
Don't try to
now big up all girls, child, maximum respect, Joe. Years. Yeah.
You better get out of town before I string up my sound. You must be stupid to come try. You better hear what I say, pack up and go away. You better look somewhere to hide. Move around, flick you right between the eyes. What a surprise!
He's my selector. Come again, the man like Militant Richie Stevenson. Can't trade, we no kinty like the dark man street. Papa Jara run every road. Yeah man, I'm afraid of no sound, I'm afraid of no pan original champion.
Don't try to test my sound.
He's a Ninjaman. I'm on the mode. Go on, chill now. Man called Daddy and say reggae bite the whole time.
Better get out of town before I string up my sound.
Yeah man.
You must be stupid to come try. You better hear what I say, pack up and go away. You better look somewhere to hide. Whoop, I lick you right between the eyes. What a surprise! Whoop, I lick you right down on the ground. The champion sound. No other sound could ever get us down. Don't try to disrespect me. You're running your sound to a ray. You must have really forget that we are the champion sound, and in this game it is down. Why if you know we run the town?
Papa Jaro, I run every road. Yeah man. I'll try to squat bubble and think, call it come on trouble. Yeah man.
The champion sound. No other sound could never get a stand. Don't try to test my sound. Don't try to test me. Don't try to test my sound. Why? Down on the ground. Whoa, yeah. Better get out of town before I string up my sound. You must be foolish.
Here come. And I select a new play the militant combination to trade. I wait no so that's a go and chocolate set speed, you know, tell her. Now this one now, dedicate to some little girl when I want to look their size and think. I don't know whether it's a go and cut for early. Papa Jara run every road. So we're gonna jump high on the march and then the follow me and the new champion, yes. We're gonna jump high on the march and then the follow me and the new champion, yes. When we go take my head, then when we go take my champion. When we go take, then when we go take, then when we go take my champion. When we go take my head, then when we go take my ease up. Now different lyrics. Cause you don't know when I distress one thing too long. Don't dread. Dedicate this one now. To all man who love the whole thing, you know, look at thing with the girl they have, look at people thing, alright? Lord of His mercy, bring the joker in at the party. Around the country, Papa's are easy than talk. How about so at the whole, when you bring man love Rasta, no, at the whole, I couldn't years old, I couldn't nose hole, I couldn't short hole, and it's not party hole. The whole of me attacking simple like gravity. The whole of me attacking sweet like honey. The whole of ease up. Go again. This stressing that thing, I don't know. Papa Chawa, I find one of the room this year, I tell you. And look how we have murdered 2 sons in a mobile, I tell you. It's the Germany, the advanced selector, and I got the father. Yeah, man. Lord of His mercy. Come on. Yes, you're gonna go high on the march, and I'm on, yes. Then the fan of me and the new champion. We're gonna jump high on the march, and I'm on, yes. Then the fan of me and the new champion. Say, on the whole, where every man who love Rasta know, on the whole. I couldn't hear so loud, I couldn't know so. I couldn't show it all, and it's not party hole. The whole of me attack is simple like a meeting. The whole of me attack drive enough man crazy. The whole of me attack man fight over it. The whole of me attack enough man not suck it like a bag of sky to yourself in $1.50. The whole of me attack, honey. Now I go say it count, don't know when me attack already. It's deep like a well and red like cherry. I wish part you find it and a girl picking it. Jennifer Paul, so set them happy. I wish part you find it in the baggy. When a French cut bingo or a smarty now so all have gun and the way shot you in it. Like a bad boy, come boy from Texas City. The whole respect stick if the girl flower shit. But it don't matter me come in and eat it. Me get no stop like me want to kill it. But me young, we love me. Hey come, and I selector. Who play you like Richard Stevens selection? Cause pure lyrics are not distress now.
Just want to say respect in every outfit. Going direct to all the ladies out there.
Germany.
I'm Richard Stevens on the song.
We get the selector here.
Especially for the ladies.
Dedicate this one to all the girl channel in the place, man. Hear it, hear it.
Your love is peaceful like the summer's breeze. Oh yeah.
Papa John, I don't play.
Lady love. With love that's steady like a baby's touch. And to keep on giving the things that I need so much. You're my world, lady love. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, lady love. Your love is cooling like a roller snow. Oh yeah, my lady love. With love that's cozy as the fire's low. And I keep on needing you, girl, a little more and more. You're my world, my lady love.
Why not keep on coming to the place?
Oh yeah, yes. Oh, it's not easy to keep.
Easy, Ninjaman. Hold tight, I'm gonna mount the shark and the hands. Germany, the advanced selector. Yeah, man.
But it's so nice just to have someone like you. And it's so smooth and the easy thing. And all the good things and joy it brings my lady love.
Yeah, man.
You've been with me through all of my ups and downs. And all my crazy turnarounds. My lady love. I once was lost, but now with you I'm found. To give me the things I need, and I want you to stay around. And ever since you down, lady low.
How dread? And I select a new play militant combination to up front every time 6 feet away I go and juggling. How you up now? Dedicate this one and to some little people who watch and chat. You know, Dread? Lord of His mercy, Papa John Wi-Fi around the country. We're gonna jump on the marching man and styling. Yeah, man. You know, Dread? Me said, be them a watch and chat. Be them a watch and chat. Be them a watch and chat, but the whole of them are idiot. Yes, be them a watch and chat. And be them a watch and chat. And be them a watch and chat, the whole of them are idiot. No people hear me and listen carefully. And just a little you to not trouble nobody. Me walk a Killamanjaro as a bike MC because me have the talent and me now we see. But so things where you want, it don't stop puzzle me. And me start make a name and start work some money. Old nigga no stop watch them out for me. I me no biggie yet, I me no celebrity like the one Papa San and Lieutenant Stitchy who in a DJ business make the name already. Me just can the leather fi try rip some fame. But if I got notice man, they just sit down for me name. No, they know we a slip. Neither Brazil and they know weave them head or a cream them. Hear them wear pants and shirt and a pants and brief. Me no call them man because they sissy because gossip and ears say belong to ladies. But some man carry news like them wear panty. Then just slap them for sale and a discuss me. But see what they for me fi make them all a conference because me have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands and 2 hands. Some legs a girl love look bad. And me nose is straight and me lips well made. So me will pass any test and get a good grade. But chatty mouth people must say want me fi afraid. Me walk on road and come from front page. But if that is them which they make a sad mistake because but I see people now go give me no idea. Me nah no worries neither no problem. Me have money in my pocket and the money I save at Jamaica National and NCB Bank. And when it come to clothes, me is a top rank. Me no borrow people one and then go a session then hold up me and when me hear them I say all who no borrow clothes who no put up who no and me a put up me and me look important and the pants when me have and belong to Ninjaman and me have to turn up the foot cause the pants too long. Me independent and me nah beg a man so them can't stay cause they no important. And all who a say that me nah reach now when them better mind them business cause long time is spoil. Say them a wash me and them a chat me but look at me face every I tell them here you come and I select I don't play you like Militant Richie Stevens selection. Now when you listen to them tune cause Uncle Papa Jara play this. Any song that you play a tune a carbon copy dread. Yeah man.
Well, ooh, the whole hometown looks the same.
By pinch
I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and my papa. Whoa, way down the road I look, and he runs not trying.
Dedicate to one girl child. Listen to him.
You've gold and dogs like memory.
He's a Ninjaman.
It's good to touch the green, green grass I found. Oh, yes, they all come to meet me.
Yeah.
Open arms. Oh, yes, they smile so sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass I found. The old house still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry.
You like Militant Richie Stevens selection?
There's that old tree,
yeah, man,
that I used to
dedicate to one and put them up front of a time.
Whoa, down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary. He with gold and lips like cherries as the lady in the green, green grass I found.
Here you come
in the green grass.
Alex Selector. Don't play Militant combination 2 dread. No dread when we do slow, you can't juggle on the fast. You don't have to slay down on the line, listen on limb every time. Yeah man. Dance and chocolate, they dance and chocolate, yes. Dance and chocolate, they dance and chocolate, come dance. Dance and chocolate, they dance and chocolate, yes. Dance and chocolate, they dance and chocolate, come now. It not this side, you run up on the bricks and rhyme, yes. Mix up me, wash me, your face, show me lime. Put me Joe Max, me your face, show me dime. No radication and them a fight against crime. So revelation that at the sign of the time. The massive in the ear and them a joke and them a wine. No million up on the rhythm like a train pan a line. Million up on the rhythm, no wave double in time in on it. Dance and chocolate, they dance and chocolate, yes. Dance and chocolate, they dance and chocolate. Yes, a Killamanjaro, you're the true champion. Freer than no son, you no freer than no pan. Say some boy, they should not set them double wrong. We back up any sound like a rubbish in a pan. No, you don't pan the rhythm, no the dance happy rambika. Just your back, your belly, your foot, your happy move your hand. Rub up the me say dance with peer woman and man. You know the dancehall juggling, the dancehall juggling, yes. Dancehall juggling, the dancehall juggling. Now me teacher and the one who them call Ninjaman. Yes, I bring the chopper, yeah, the marching man. Lead up on the rhythm, now me pull up pattern.
I come to tell them me beg on no don't stand up and low put at the dance gate now. Papa Jaro, inside them black people pay your musical rate. Cause if a ninja uno want, the dance dog and they are again. So my seminar come, but from a two so me they are my friend. Now make them wrap up and concept up on Jaro again. Come disrespect me sound and mouth them kill it in a pen. Me a original dance dog and come to shut down the whole of them. And when me come on microphone, no just understand. Say if a ninja uno want, the dance dog and me they are again. Come make me hear it from all the St. Elizabeth man them. Make me hear from the Dan man them. And make me hear the Dan Gog and them. And make me hear who a bull in a pen. If a ninja uno want, make me hear it from the Dan man them. And if a ninja uno need, and Papa Jaro make me hear it, me friend. All them pull up me selector. It's like how sound them, no little sound man no come. Hold on. Like a little sound man now come sing, and a jar alone in here. Listen, Ninjaman now. I'm showing you some is a little intellectual DJ. Listen to the right now. Come rude boy. Check your pussy class, Mr. Come.
Come and come again. Come and come again. Come and come again. Some kids try to.
Hey boy, you're lucky see you and just kicking at your pussy clad face. Put on back the next rhythm, man. I nice to keep on skanking from now till the morning. Black people listen to what the Dan Gargan say. Jeremy Lee, you this the Dan. Man, you this all of the Dan man there. Say if you diss the Dan and play a different tune, my friend. Mr. Youth, me no kitty, me not no mercy. Send me with but you journey with me M3. Me no afraid of police, and me no afraid of soul team. Me no kin teeth with you if you want dead body. But if you diss the Dan, you disrespect all of the Dan man then. If you come a dance, I'll come a Kimbo wanna pose. I play the music like you sit down in a rose. Me will clean me 45 gun in your nose. If you diss the Dan, you diss all of the Dan man. Ain't no time me say you don't diss the Dan. I nice keep on skanking from now till the morning. Papa John right I play. Let me tell the black people, I nice live in love and unity. Come on and listen. If you're gonna down, stand up and low, put on the dance gate now. Black people, got Papa Jaro inside and one of them can play your music all rate. Yeah, why, Mr. Lee? I'll give it no more than no bargain for. Let me tell you, Mr. Lee, I'll give it no more than no bargain for. Yeah, hear me dreadlocks? Cause if you no come through the gate and pay $20, say uno still no pay for the ninja. You go to the bar and buy 5 by nickel. You know pay for see the Dan Gargan step and come in because me I go tell you something, youth man. This is something where you must understand. You see the whole Jamaica in a combination. Join up together one Armageddon and boots up Ninjaman and turn him in Dan Gargan. And if you want to see me I go tell you Jaman, you can't come and no dance come pay no 1,000. You can't come here pay no 2,000. Me I go tell you about the St. Elizabeth man. When them want for the Ninjaman, hear the style where them flinging silent pot and them say give him 10,000 grand. 10,000 grand. We say the Dan Gargan and the better give him 10,000. Some of them hear me talking about 10,000 grand and now wonder when me get them there counting from. You see when you're talking about me said 10,000 grand, you put that together and call it about 20,000. And if you say 30,000 grand, you put in a combination and then you add it up and call it 60,000 because the same 1,000 if you call grand and if you couldn't count it, you're fool now bam bam. Me telling you 10,000 grand, 10,000 grand. If you want to see the dance, give me I giving them more than no bargain for. Come again, Mr. Lee. Now we'll talk to Siaga Manley now. Hold on. Who no ready sentence about people? Let me hear you no say no joke. Cause the Dan Gagan they are tonight. Make me hear no say no joke. Cause we want ganja legalize. Well, Mr. Manley and Siaga every day them get up a chat bumbo clat over radio about how we get out coke and get out crack. So nobody down no. Hear this rude boy. Bad boy talk. Michael Manley and Siaga. Legalize the herb. Get rid of the cocaine them. Let me tell you who legalize the herb. I wanna get rid of the crackhead them. Shout out that if you not legalize the herb man, and you get rid of all the coke man them. Come let me tell you, Miss and listen me ladies and a gentleman. You know the herb was a found youth man. Up on the grave of the great Solomon, who give you wisdom, knowledge and understanding for the land. That you can get tricked by the damn Babylon. Through them know the herb is the fit and it's strong. And make black man go under meditation. Then start lock you up it and give you long sentence. I'm bringing something where we kill old black man. I don't know legalize the herb. I wanna get rid of the coke man. We say legalize the herb. I wanna get rid of the crack man then. Me say, me want to hear all the ganja man. If they want to legalize on the land. Hear this. Hear what going on. Me say we're having a conference tonight. And the conference is to see that ganja legalize. So come on, every St. Elizabeth man. Follow the Dan Gagan, now I make we just shout out this your song. Come let me tell you, we're gonna legalize the herb. I wanna get rid of the coke man them. Michael Manley legalize the herb. I wanna get rid of the crack man them. Come me say, listen me carefully now, Michael Manley. Right now, while you are the head of the country, take me advice, I want you listen to me. I want you legalize the good sense. And hear me know me now wrap up na skin. Just make the export it go on foreign. And listen me Manley and you understand. You take taxes up for every blast to the herb man. And see if you know have a better looking island. You coulda build something for more tourist attraction. Use one the mountain town cowboy land. That when you go pan it, you have your money now you want. If you legalize the herb, you got a better country now, me friend. Yes, man, if you legalize the herb, you would not find so much thief in again. Because no for the youth them were in a Kingston. I run up every day with them big long gun. Them a juke down the bar and the restaurant down. Mr. Chin supermarket man he just juke it down. The bank them well load of money, them a shut it down. And the Brimstone turn over and every money and a run. If you no legalize the herb, all them robbery they done. So who no legalize the herb, I wanna get rid of the violence them. Let me tell you, me say me want to hear from me say every party. If ninja speaking pure reality, shout it out to no love is empty. Hold on. Come in, Juna Cat, original Dan Gagan.
Now it's your old boy. Play by the famous song called Ninjaman Outer International. Play by the king of the library. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun and killing pussy and we kill them for fun and 50 grand and we carve out one and wall up your one cause you a jug man and ball it out you come from Westmoreland. Long as St. Elizabeth the weed come from. He's the junior cat fire the Dan Gagan. You better give it the chicken a one a wrong bang and shout it out cause you no coke man and ball it out you no lick out bottom and put up your one you not your man that woman because the right is right and the search. Play by the song called Ninjaman International Female Channel Marshall. Play by the greatest keeper double chuma gate and feel mercury and tears you on desire. call it. Dance off and swing, me call it. Dance off and swing, follow me now. Dance off and swing, me call it. Dance off and swing, follow me now. Dance off and swing, me call it. Dance off and swing. But these Ninjaman, cause I'm a DJ Bridging. Ram a dancehall, keeping a foreign. Cause we can ram London and we can ram Brooklyn. And anywhere me go, me keep them rocking and sing. Not for the fat and me talk for the slim. But cabin stabbing for this, a cabin stabbing. Cabin stabbing for this, a cabin stabbing. What is the meaning of cabin stabbing? Cause when you have a little girl in your house riding from morning till evening, a peer balling. Watch me brethren a carry feeling. And talk out me take off him browning. And pack up some stone for stone me building. And buy one gallon of gas for light me ceiling. But easy me brethren not do such a thing. And prepare your try some scuba diving. And Junior cat pan your mic talking. But I love how when me got and I love how when me bring. But no matter if you're fat, me no matter if you're slim. You coulda even live round a constant spring. Go tell your Papa Charo what the king in the ring. Because we ram up a dance on a send catching. Cause me talk for the fat and me we talk for the slim. 1,000 chain and 2,000 gold ring. And ram up a dance keep up a Peking. And ram up a dance keep in a Brooklyn. And Jackie Lynch here my little thing. Little bit and we live in loving. Get big and we gonna put on the ring. Partially we make the rubber duck spin. East. Come here, rude boy.
Now easy Dan Gargan. Now we come up with my tune like can write with selection.
Come and come again. Come and come again. Come and come again. Some careless creature tried to take my life the other day. Just the other day, my shoe to me, rob me and take away my jewels and my money. But God was there, He saved my life. He needed me to stay alive. God is there for you. God is there for me. God's love will live forever. God is the greatest of all. God is the greatest of all.
I like to let go,
God is the greatest of all. God is the greatest of all. You should know that.
Now we come. And they play part 2 style. One nice and decent Chris like what you was a go and talk. I want to save that and second stage is about 5 o'clock in the morning. Long time I don't spend no time to know. Where did the police then hold me and talk about me? Them charged with illegal possession of firearm and shooting with intent. But this a freedom blues. Ninjaman no they a GP again. Say this a freedom blues. Me no in a the prison, me friend. When me go GP, I pay a problem. Something where me see me couldn't understand. Me see Kid Ralph a romance bottom. And I kiss up some prisoner woman. Then couldn't ramp around the original fronty gold teeth and gargan. With a butty pussy hole now with me bass broom jammer. This a freedom blues. Ninjaman no win a prison again. Because he on me know say that me physical fit. Me day a GP and me get me visit. Me Switzerland girlfriend come give me $2 nothing up and me knocking teeth a bit. And if a pussy test me lick him with shit bucket. But this a freedom blue. Ninjaman no day a GP again. Because who wicked and them assassinated. How I do them is like say them no right it. After me did poor and me did in a poverty. Me never used to sting no big long spending. Me never walk and kill off nobody. No St. Elizabeth people them make me have money. That make me live at Switzerland well I agree. The people them will put me in a Kingston city. Then give me gold, diamond and so ruby. No mention the rest of Jamaica country. So illegal gun when me a do with it. The ring pump for me finger you see. He coulda buy 45 MG, a 42 piece of diamond stone in a year, 18 karat gold. Me say pussy can buy. This a freedom blues. Me a millionaire when me a do illegal gun. Say this a freedom blues. Just shoulda just lick them Babylon they go. You know, see a long time I run up in a sense, bed up and down. From me I come here, police never took me down. They never accuse me for weed, much less say gun. But me don't know what do them. Them me say in a Kingston. Them lucky me and no bad boy, me that shot them down. But this a freedom blues. Ninjaman me they your sweet one. Let me tell you this a freedom blues. Let me tell you me not indeed with no name. Because I'm a no rap up and I'm a no skin. Half poor people give me I'm a living. So in the ghetto where I'm a wrestling, me have to protect me ghetto decent and thing. Me want listen me no one who no understand. I know every youth where who no sit unwanted man. I know them life now never them intention. But accidentally them just lick down a man. He breath left him body and in turn a dead man. And you know this laws of the corrupted land. Hunger one thing in Babylon intention as you're young. Then lick you down for you strong. So them now no right in front of no one. So them a happy make a run for we could most understand. Freedom blues. That me they your street once again. Me say me want black people tell the Babylon them. Be have mercy upon the ghetto youth me. I come to tell it to them. A reality. Come in, Junior Jack.
Play number champion song called Killamanjaro International. Play by the king of Zalabri. Lord of mercy. Now I say all already figure shoot boat and put up your one. Bang the bang gang. All already figure shoot boat and put up your one. Bang the bang gang. Freedom come. Freedom come, freedom come, freedom come. All black people jump up and down. And the judge of star, judge of moons and sun. Anytime we come for chant. Hold on!
Hear me promoter. I see a little video lighter come up here, turn back that blood clot. No! Yo, no video me man. 7 bomber clot video me see a parade. Me not get royalty for none. And me a one here if you... What? Promoter. You think, hey, me not take pay from no sound man and no promoter because me come here for respect of my people. Don't blood clot video me, yes sir. But big on for charge Jaro money now, you know. Jaro put more in me there, so me just say we are work till me dead for Jaro. Don't blood clap on no video for me. Gunman talk. No video. Let me put on this and go home.
Oh, yo, yeah, hear me? We broke up the video and broke you up too, you know. So mind your blood clot. The man said go the video, man. Go video something else down there. So we are talking about. I think I post the whole them, yeah. I want you to tell the promoter say extra money that. So if you have anything for plastic up from now for you shine a light. Yeah? And tell look up for that gear too. Play Baba Green song called Papa Java International. Man called Ninjaman, the original Dancehall. Me born freedom to the people in South Africa. But bye. If you don't free them right, I know what being shot I go fire. Lord, I want to enforce and link it up on the well. Now get man, I want you all tight, but not too tight. Playing on one champion sound all over the world, kill the most pass to the most girls. Be martial, no passion. All who not take people, man, better put up on one. Badang, bang, bang. All who not take people, man, better put up on one. Bang, diddly bang. You know, sorry, that done by Tracy Chapman. And then Foxy Brown do the cover version. I go for me, I go for them one by one. Want a tin of milk now for mix red dragon. And 1 cup of water for need flour gun. When me ready to build me house, me bring in for Passan. Admiral I say him have the new brand slang. Uncle new slang, I must in belly bottom. Dominic the bad boy, the port from England. Give me the chicken, I want a wrong bang. Hold up your one for you, ganja man. Shout it out at the St. Elizabeth man, cause make them know you are article Donald. Shout it out cause you love Ninjaman, Ragamuffin, Pachili, and they know in the man. And wheel up. Search, come in, I'm out.
Go cat. All original old boy, I'm gonna access check up of a jar of cool and go through. Watch me now.
Hear me now. Punksy then. How many mouth are going? Move it again, follow me now. Punksy then. Whoa, you many mouth are going? Move it. Hear me now. See the bank there. Go and go choke it down, boy. See the money there. Go and go take it. They want me. Dead or alive, they want me. Dead or alive, live. Dead or alive, they want me. Dead or alive. Watch me. Love badness. From I was at a you just make some long gun. Out a newspaper, me no play dolly house. Me left that to me sister. I'm gonna think the I'ma play police and robber. Hear me now. Me a Ninjaman. Me partner. Now what we do? Get a 16 and a HK bomber. I'm gonna choke down a bank in a Manchester. Now the Miglaf man, they pull the bank of Nova Scotia. What we do now? Make an appointment with the manager. When go talk to him, yes, as the sales master. In a jacket and time, me shutter. Let the color, what we do now? Tie up the manager, joke the teller. Rub the money and push the bank in a one bag of flour. As we a leave the bank, they will squeeze the buzzer. And the place is surrounded by police and soldier. We fi make we get away in our Land Rover. We hold one gear, two gear, then hold the other. When we hold the fourth gear, the van start backfire. All the police and the soldier them start to scatter. Fly through me a pencil through whole lava. Then me stop up punish down in a me area. Anna service the van with gas and water. Me say police was called by some informer. Them lick one shot, two shot, then lick the other. When them lick the fourth shot, the van wheel puncher. So me make me escape and go hide a della. Then me juke up puppet string and take him off a ninja. Cause me still have to go a town at the headquarter. Me step on the highway like a night rider. As me reach a ferry, me book a bigger danger. Me see enough police, a bag of soldier, inspector and man in a camouflage color. Ninjaman pan the back a ball out fi murder. You coulda feel how the big man a shake and shiver. But what? Quick thinking just reach the hammer. Me just park the bike in a sunny area. Then me hold up on the clutch like a pie. So group and me hold one gear, two gear, then hold the other. When me hold the fourth gear, ninja still a holler. So look when life a give way easy like bus butter. What me do now? Let go the clutch as a big rider. And the bike start real like a helicopter. Start kick up enough dust and about enough tire. Them lick one shot, two shot, then lick the other. Me say all them a shot, then gonna shot the hammer. So me fly past. Hold on. And we comes in a feature mighty cat like players for the first time around Bandit Bounce to them. I go and cruise and go through said way. Come in, Ninja.
Has anybody seen Tracy?
Now we come.
My baby. I walk back my baby again. Up the road and down the road and up the road again. To the street and down the lane, I'm searching for my girlfriend Gwen. She's my baby, she's my girl, she means so much in my world. Up the road and down the road, up the road and down the road again. Searching for my girlfriend. She means so much to me.
Do you with the bad side?
But now it seems like my whole life is misery.
Ain't never another one.
I just can't take
Why is
the
that so like
pain.
Ninjaman with you, man?
I just cannot take the pain. No. Up the road and down the road and up the road again. To the street and down the lane, I'm searching for my girlfriend. I'm a lonely man and I can't live this life no more. Baby, I need you now. Come on, walk right to my door again. My sweet girlfriend.
Now we come. And I play the part two style and people. Remember, we're not ready to get warm yet. More on this dance around until about 5 o'clock. You know, say, I went. A Thursday night we got Stony, you know. I have a dance around until about 5 o'clock. Me and Charlie Chaplin and a boy come disrespect and we have to go for clean. We go 9 nose and clean him for my sword blade. And true, never wanted that me just take out I dance. Me and Chaplin I dance done about 11:30. So you see we know them young people, you know if we make them decent to counteract them biggest mentality and they love we more than fly love shit and we not left them like oh Jesus now leave little children sound until 5:30. Come on boy. Reality and I speaking come to the pastor man them. And I say, be the better one. Pastor man, let me tell you, pastor come out of the church and go by the wayside and then Jesus again.
Come let me tell you, Pastor, come out of the church and go talk to the blasted, the poor people them. Come let me tell you why you listen to me ladies and on gentlemen. Back in the year of 1971, you used to have some ragamuffin pastor man who walked from St. Elizabeth go way up Poland and preach a word of God to the Almighty One and link up and that them couldn't understand. In mid-am lasted a lot of wanderers to come rise up to the Almighty One. But come out of the church and go over the west side and edges again. Pastor Blair, why you come out of the church and go talk to the blasted, the poor people there? Me wanna listen to ladies and gentlemen. This is something where me can't understand. About the nowadays pastor man, them build a tabernacle, call it one big mansion. In that then gather up one congregation. They say to read the Bible, collect collection. And just as them take up them damn collection, they call your body altar and the prayer done. And then they tell you about the service just begun. Then they turn you out of church, you gone home now, youth man. And them don't teach you nothing that is wrong, but them still they under corruption. I'm go collecting the money of the world larger man and tell the whole of them and make them understand. Pastor, come out of the church and go talk to the poor people them. You know say, if you go down in a Riemann jungle and go talk to the ghetto people, make labor and paint peace stand up and reason. And no crime will come in man, it would not happen. And if him left from there and come to St. Elizabeth and come talk to the people, them no worry and fret. No man don't chop up one another and no with no machete. And if him left from there, so go down in Westmoreland and teach them all about the all of tongue in a something y'all out to murder. Cause I don't get to know about the powers of Jaja. So Pastor, come out of the church and go talk to the poor people. Me want you to listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. You see the leaders of every nation, all them building a nuclear weapon, and them account on the year 2000. About that they come every Almighty One, but tell the pussy who say that the whole of them wrong. They come like a thief in the night, youth man. Broke in your house like a living criminal, with lightning and thunder and brimstone and fireman. Pastor, come out of the church. A reality don't go and talk once again. What you gonna say, man?
Now cool Gargan. Now Rastaman says straight, cause we again come up actually. Papa Jowdy bounce to the man from Marshall. Watch me now star. Rasta paid me on already. Selassie paid me on already. Rasta paid me on already. Watch me. I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor who rule the whole world, him rule it entire. Selassie the greatest king, we come out ever. Only king we go on battlefield with him soldier. Selassie raise him rod, pay lightning and thunder. All ballad of bow in front of every Rasta. Rasta man no sit up with no warmonger who believe in iniquity and a bag of obia. Warmonger no know nothing about them culture. Them no know where the word Selassie stand for. It stand for Holy Trinity, I say strength and power. Juggling lick the whole of them with brimstone and fire. 1966 Selassie visit Jamaica. Come in April, not September. Lana Naman Manly Airport, not Palisada. At the airport a flock of white bird come gather. It day when Selassie I come Jamaica. The whole place black and rain did that shower. As the plane land at airport a change a weather. The sun come out hot like a burning fire. Prime Minister, opposition, parliament member. Check out a big carpet with the big emperor. Him just step aside as the great ruler and walk on the holy ground. When built by Jaja, the whole place locked down like say a Easter. Man fling with cigarette and start burn ganja. 12 tribe orthodox, them are some true rasta. Them a lick the chill and pipe with sense in make it look like out of airport. Catch on fire, Babylon and weak heart. You start to shiver and start quail up like wet rat. And the seller from Selassie 5 my roll the throne off Addis Ababa. 72 nation from all over. Bow down front Selassie, I the great emperor. In a 1830, a peer warrior. When Selassie a war against the Mussolini, stand up on a battlefield and I show him power. Stand up on a nuclear bomb and he go down fire. I saw the Mussolini them get conquer. No Babylon, no ballad, no backbiter. Could I never touch the throne of Addis Ababa. If them try to do that, set them soul on fire. All I'm pulling me selector. And we comes in a feast of the mighty cat like players for the phone through the set speed. Mighty, mighty, mighty players. Alright. What is Papa China, boss.
I could hardly believe it.
You hear that?
Heard a news today.
Murder style.
I had to come and get it.
Hold on. Now he comes in and feature the participation 2 style one man easy. No gunman a phone time now, cause we're going to look at one thing, you know. Come up actually. Now he comes. Papa Jowdy, bounce to the Marshall and partial. Watch me now. Hear me now. Some man them a walk with them take gun and can't buy gunshot. Them a walk with them take gun and can't buy gun. Some man them a hold on. Come in, Ninja.
In here? Hold on. I'm about to start with the gun business. Jesus Christ. Here where we have. Me all left the gun business till later because them don't know them are sitting here. We are going up. Come with boy. Me I tell you no. Out of the general. Out of the general. Out of the general. This are the general with the one world of bomb. This are the general with the one world. No follow me one world of bomb. One world of bomb. Me say go tell the bowl of them about me. One world of bomb. Me tell no one world of bomb. One world of bomb. Me say go tell the bowl of them about me. One world of bomb. Them. Mama.
Easy. Watch me now. Rip, I'm a the madman. Me and the one Ninjaman. Watch it. Some man them a walk with them take gun and can't buy gunshot. Them a walk with them take gun and can't buy gun. Some man them a walk with them take gun and can't buy gunshot. Them a walk with them take gun and can't buy gun. You know, gunman style originate by I'm a bad man. Business control Jamaica. Alias bad boy and the great bank robber. A gun without shot is soft like butter, harmless like a nickel case and grasshopper. You feel buy enough shot me when you're in a danger. When you book up on police and a bag of soldier, starting from the 12 gauge. From way back yonder, it coming a red hose and blue hose every color. Have 2 metal cap hold the ends together with some fine pebbles with some gunpowder. Cripple enough get a youth, not by ranger. Who a thief enough orange coconut and banana. 38 shot, now I hit me a go drop. One of the hardest gunshot they get in a Jamaica road where them have ya use be 9mm. Rub it down for around 2 or 3 hours. Rub it down until it can fit the revolver. Rub down shot mash up your gun barrel. We need fire. 38 shot come in a lead and copper and mean cast iron and evil silver. The flat mouth one it name what cutter and the brown mouth one in double explode. 45 better shot them big like your finger. A Ellen one at that ton cross the chamber. When the bus is sound like when you a shed pot cover. And right back at it come the blazing fire. Gonna riot shot, it hot on fire. Originate by dog and woman take over. Use the shot up down Dick, Harry and Trevor. Them have got the pencil and shot from the hold on. Come Ninja.
You know like a girl shot me with it. Anyway. You see like how me telling about me one world of bomb like a while. And me say me say every man in here done. So all article done. We have them woman make me want to say bam bam bam. Then one woman name. All done it, big up your chest, cause if you not done it, Dan pants no look press, man. The Dan can't go look dress. So man a done and woman a done it. You hear me? Watch me, I sit down pan rhythm, me different from me DJ pan rhythm. Come. Being a minute one. Watch a rhythm can't move from under me belly button, man. Wanna listen to the Dan. Yeah, hear me? Being a minute two. Mr. Lee, Me tell them man not done and a woman not done it. Come now done it, me want you pick up your chest. Me tell them man not done and a woman not done it. Come now done it, me want you pick up your chest. Say every girl I send Elizabeth, you know them a done it. As long as when you see them, you can see your success. And them they cannot live the baby. Me said them no careless, them no clean up, no hood, no lick, no body for them nest. Me not tell no lie, ninja not be confess. Me tell no man not done and a woman not done it. Come now done it, me want you pick up your chest, come done it. I you make the dance pants press, come done it. I you make the dance shirt press, come done it. I you press out all the jacket and vest, come done it. I you make the dance look just me want you hold up your hand and you love it, you done it. Shout it out and you love it, you done it. And every girl in the dance and know say them a done it. Just push up on no one because you know you are the best. Listen me quietly and understand. Here the done a reason with one woman. Yes, done it, sit down and listen, youth man. And when they done a talk to him, woman, him a give them everything like qualification. And things just be make she understand it. And she said, done it. You feel lucky, a man beg your girl. Tell me if you ever lick out bottom, you should have hear when done it jump up Paris. What take you done? Then you must it turn in madman. She said done it. Yes, me say no big up in your chest because man not done and a woman not done it. Come now done it. Me want you big up in your chest. Me said it. Then turn round ask the next question. And when they done it, understand this, you want you to done it. Listen me with qualification. You woulda clean a rifle done it. And such a man, you want me butt off your mouth with your own M1. You must be licking coke a rock back youth man. I want take your man, don't be the pine your man. Then just hug up done it and say, come me woman. Jump around car, you know lesbian. Me want you push up your one if you love it, you done it. Shout it out, say you love it, you done it. Done it, she know fi kiss, she know fi caress. And rub down every ear in a dance chest. Done it, you nice and you good looking. And you no heat have no man something. Done it, no kin teeth and she no grin. A boy this did and a play shot firing. When done it come out with Gatling. A pussy test got no way head and guts with me. Tell them man not done and a woman not done it. Sure man, just a stretch out phone in because we all get mad in here, but give it some time, yeah. Come in, Junior Cat.
Play Baba, it bounce so good on the Tower International. Be Marshall, no partial. Sha la 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 la. We can't find the general. Put a bye bye bye. We can't find the general. Put a bye bye bye. Billy and the admiral. Charlie Chaplin or the principal. Josie Wheel or the colonel. Brigadier him or the general. When we come a dance, you know we not partial. All the blast bar central, now it's Chris Rental. And hold up your one cause you a general. And ball it out, you know go a funeral. And Junior Cat, you know me international. When me come a dance, you know me not partial. Watch Ninjaman, you know so that we physical. After I try a thing, you go to lose your girl. And lose your girl, you lose her personal. And then me send it down a in me step on a pen ball and general and partial but I go a funeral. But no matter if you're brown, I no matter if you're black. But I tell you Junior Cat up on your mic and him a chat. Come listen down the jar of bassline now with a clap. I proud to be black, that's a natural fact. Black it on the color for the African map. And 12 time me escape from out of cell block. And the only life man from out of Kendall crash. All who feel and no get no catch. Go hide themself up in a peanut trash. No for them a talk about them about budget lock. But I still see I got some of my
back. No for them a wolf, me say in a sheep rock. Still a lick coke, me say and a melt rock. And a follow soup and a eat on the frock. Hold them, beat them badly and cut off them dreadlock. Yak them out of Zion with a parada shot and shout it out if you nah go do that and ball it out cause you nah go do that. But I tell you Junior, get up on your mic and name a chatter. We chat it for the slim and me I go chat it for the fatter. We chat it in a puncher, we not talk on the slacker. Cause he's a Ninjaman original Isla Bashan. And the thing with this we lick up and peace. I can a man call.
Phenomenon one. Now we come. I night turn over. And black people still a juggle quite early. Now live the dance until 5:30. Me never know one. Now look. Me mama they walk like me papa they talk like me sister come like me brother done like me. Black people live like me down in a one unity. We are one big family. That's why me ball out he who just in vanity and have no love for humanity. Them a go fade away. Let me tell you I go fade away. Do you hear what I say? Do you hear what I say? Yeah, hear me people. Michael Jackson just in vanity and him a leper human and a pop monkey and him a fade away. Let me tell you we a fade away. And do you hear what I say? Do you hear what I say? Me say Gentlemen people, who no look here. If them is gonna legalize all the ganja and make we export it and go in America. You see they done them woulda ride in Kazapa and them stand up and a post on them corner. Lick down the big bike where them call Ninja. And some of them woulda ride in Katana and the little and a drive the car Honda. And some me know say that money a run here, but you don't have the ghetto youth them a suffer. Lock them in a prison over here and over to them selling the street called marijuana. But listen me and understand. When them care you go a courthouse German. The judge asks them a question. This year one me couldn't understand easy when the judge asks him where you come here for job. He tell you about this not joke and it out of order. But then chant and gargan for vegetable matter. But vegetable could eat it hard dinner. So me don't know how you a get sentenced. But hear me on the mic and make them me but he who just in vanity and have no love for humanity. Them a go fade away. Let me tell you I go fade away. And do you hear what I say? Do you hear what I say? Black people, because if you fight and if you fuss, live against your brother, me say too covetous. If you live in war and in a hunger, no spend no time, just be pray to Jaja. The coming of Jah is just round the corner. Him will lick you down with lightning, brimstone and fire. And the thing where them call thunder. When lightning flash, you must speak to Jaja. That your lip is in flash glass. Yeah, cause of many wicked parts of this world. Yeah, so he who just in vanity and have no love for humanity, them a go fade away. Let me tell you, I go fade away. And do you hear what I say? Do you hear what I say? Do not yet look here. You want to sit little while when them a listen to me. Me slip the rhythm and me go up key. And everybody sit down and I wonder. Let me tell the people them way up now, man. One of them people has to say me wicked enough. Because when we attack, we not kidding enough. Dance all our school. You see when me come and dance, me no write lyrics. When me come and dance, me just learn from the people. Hear me now. Me in the dance and me a ride the rhythm. When me sit down with a lot of melody, up on the rhythm like me sleep on half key. You want the people, them a look for me. And them a sit down and them a wonder. Them a say, I want really me say take the ninja. Me never hear him sleep off a reading bout ya. But I want him tonight, we say to the ninja. But me say, you me know say me well terrible. Everybody up them out and them get frightened. Me they back on the rhythm without a bit too. Cause me find it the sharp, rough and bebble like a razor blade. Me not fit to cut you. Them must text and ninja simple. When me drop up at the rhythm where me do 5 summer sauce with me tongue now too. 15 bump click and get it not trouble. Jump on with them wall and drop with them avenue. And then me drop a rhythm my way and no school. Then me drop a rhythm 1 and touch up rhythm 2. Rhythm 3 me dip and them a ball out with you. I no feeling when you know hear me jump back on the rhythm. Of course me full of timing. Cause you know and anyone can do them something. Yeah, hear me? If you think I joke me, make me show you something. Try beat me up, yeah, make me drop and say me now fix it and sing. I try bounce the table and jerk the rhythm. As the rhythm stop me, just make a boom sting. 15 more sauce with me tongue and ting. And spill me 42 teeth like any Gatling. Me have more than uno can ninja in my king. Uno dancing a down. Cause we no ramp when we get talk on rhythm. Will me select man. I make we touch on warm and easy cause we are do. My butt in your blood clot. Now we come.
Not Madu.
Let's more warm up the dance now.
Not you, Madu.
My we have the cat.
All I'm full of Mr. Selector, Mr. Wheelanton. Marco, Taliban champion, selection and play them champion, I wanna come for you.
Yes, I look into Jaro crystal ball and the beauty of it all. See a sound boy and no.
What about after that, Shark? Yes, can. Same. Kill all current rock.
Oh yes, it must Jaro.
Go in, cat, now we have a spirit.
Keep your style and agony. It must Jaro.
Come in, Ninjaman.
All the time, a sound boy, it must
You wanna ready for me warm? Oh no, tell me right now, my friend.
Must Jaro for we all the time, a sound boy. Although sound me.
Now wait, Selector. People, if you not ready for me warm, make me hear it from the sentiment them. If you not ready, me turn on. Make me hear it from the. Well, all Mandela crew, make me hear say bam bam. Mandela come man. Come rude boy. Don't know that the answer why you ask the mixer now. People know here, you know. Me tell them say Mandela come and me I warn him. Mr. Lee. You don't know what. No one. Listen to the dance. Me tell no give thanks and praises. Cause Mandela survive. No to the 27 year of a separation. Me tell no Mandela still alive. We give all of the praise to the Father. We are the heavenly and earthly creator. That's why we call Mandela. Come, hold on. Hold on. You know, just catch the edge eye tune. Just listen part of me sing and don't know you me going to the next part. Wait the phone about and forward. Yo DJ, come in, rude boy. You think we are playing? All nice and decent scientific people then think me not come face on about it would have worth $1 million. Me have to left Switzerland come scam to all article original country, gold teeth and gargan. Peanut butter one. Wanna listen to the Dan. Warning the young man. The prodigal son from the land. Now look, me tell no give thanks and praises. Cause Mandela survive. Not through the 27 year of a separation. Me tell no Mandela still alive. We give all of the praise to the Father. We are the heavenly and earthly creator. That's why we call Mandela come. Mandela come. Me wanna jump up that people cause Mandela. Me telling them Mandela come. Mandela come. Me wanna jump up that people cause. You know the luckiest pussy me say under Jaja son of the boy named Buta. Well, like a Mandela make him fuck like him. See you next minute make him Mandela come in one. Me a bad boy me walk with 42 gun and as me clean the one of them not because shot the pussy down. You know me turn on my radio archie yeah when me turn on when me listen to the news me yes I'm Mandela come in just back me waist and take out 2 of the gun and lick 42 channels of the Mandela come me wanna jump up that people call them. Hold on. Dan Cobb, come in my youth.
Alright. Pull up actually. The guy can get things wild now. You know. All of the man them love people, make me wanna say pam pam. All of the man them love people, make me wanna say pam pam. Alright, come select. That dance. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. you know. We want some pee-pee hole, pee-pee hole. Go tell the girls them we want some pee-pee hole. Go tell them pee-pee hole, pee-pee hole. Go tell the girls them we want some pee-pee hole. When you hear that we want some pee-pee hole, we don't mean no cow, no ass, no donkey batty hole. All I know you talk of those to put the pee-pee hole. Some man walk 20 miles to get pee-pee hole. Some of them walk 40 miles to get pee-pee hole. Some man walk 50 miles to get pee-pee hole. Some man catch crab louse, half a pee-pee hole. Some man catch gonorrhea, how with the pee-pee hole. You have some man and the man near pee-pee hole. You have big and wide and thinking pussy hole. Some say like sink and some broad like bowl and hold on. I'll come here and straight. Alright. Watch me now. Rip. Watch it now, star. We want some pee-pee hole. Pee-pee hole. Tell the girls them we want some pee-pee hole. We want some pee-pee hole. Pee-pee hole. Tell the girls them we want some pee-pee hole. When you better we want some pee-pee hole. We don't mean no cow, no ass, no donkey batty hole. All I know you talk of those to go to the pee-pee hole. Some man walk 20 miles to get pee-pee hole. Some man walk 40 miles to get pee-pee hole. Some man catch crab louse, half a pee-pee hole. Some man catch gonorrhea, out a pee-pee hole. You have some dirty boy, them man young pee-pee hole. You have big and wide and thinking pussy hole. Some broad like sink and some stay like bowl car. In the days, yes, back of hole when you have some man them usually call them couldn't go up to a woman and tell her so them want control them usually hide in a bush just like a creature and back them fish and push it in a mud hole in a donkey and cow and in a half batty hole. You want some pee-pee hole, pee-pee hole. So tell the girls them want some pee-pee hole. You have some man take out about thunder roll about for them soul man can't control boys when night time and breeze a blow cold man control them heart yes mind on them soul and them a stretch out them tongue long like TV pole and have you lick out all about on a man batty hole. You want some pee-pee hole, pee-pee hole. So tell the girls them hold on. Come ninja.
Me should have finished when me a talk about Mandela. Me should have get mad like a man. You don't tell me what to do, you know, because you make me come here tonight. Me should have finished about Mandela. Me should have get mad like a man. Man, then say me to get mad, you know. All right, come sir. Hold on there. I'm about saying one people all. But me get to understand, say the man, them, and the woman, them are to sit in worship and tell them, say them bow. Well, me love no like how Jesus love little children, and me know, no pound, no two, no one bow. But, oh boy, I don't know if me to worry that anyway come. Before you do it, me I beg you no. Listen. Phenomenon one. You know listen to the Dan. Me and the Dan Gagan. Yeah, hear me? Me beg you no do and bow down. Do and bow down. Me tell you no tell Elizabeth man. Me beg you no do and bow down. Me tell you no do and bow down. Do and bow down. Me tell Elizabeth woman beg you no do and bow down because you know see no queen and you still a bow down. You see you know see no king and you still a bow down. Me say when you bow down you leave your tongue and just lick man back the whole and bottom. Me say hold up your one if you no lick out bottom and if you see a pussy man show to God you not lick none so do and bow down. Do and bow down. Me want you push up your one if you not bow down. Me tell you no do and bow down. Do and bow down. Me want no shout it out if you not bow down. Hold on, Mr. Lee. I could have count two in your now bow down. Well, all of the man them will salute to the now bow down look while you come beside me because all who said we turn up and go on like them we bow down, you know, we suck pussy hole and lick out batty for pardon. Some want to segregate yourself from the crowd, all man when I suck pussy. I won't know this so long, man. I won't know this so man. All who suck pussy and fuck party and suck our food go suck on the mama. Gunman talk. Come in, rude boy. Phenomenon one. Who no listen to the Dan? The Dan Gagan. Mr. Lee, hear me? You tell the mama where they get it from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Me tell her mama where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Say another me. No me nah suck no pussy. Say another me. No me nah fuck nobody. Say another me. Nah put me mouth and down. No. Hold on. Suck pussy man. Would clean me gun in your nose. You don't go and see your looks or your color. Your disgrace man. Come in rude boy. Phenomena no one. Uno ready for the dance. Uno pe push up uno one. Also pussy man where you go shot uno have one by one. Now look. Me born mama where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Me tell mama where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Say another me. No me nah suck no pussy. Say another me. No me nah fuck nobody. Say another me. Nah put me mouth and down. No lady say another me. Nah bite no girl punani because all them a talk man a to them no no. This a no science it a turn back blow me tell you no. All them a talk man a to them no no. This a no science it a turn back blow me why you listen me ladies and a gentleman. This year and the then come 91. They're gonna be a warning a youth man. Who me warning a suck pussy man. And the man them we fucking bottom. And the woman when you mother man. Party suit a fuck back party man. Pussy a suck back suck pussy man. Suck out the teeth and on go left one. In my mouth a pay corruption. Well, hold on. Come Juna. Easy. I wanna keep it long, sin. Play by the king of the library. Play by the famous son of passion. I'm not sure anymore which pussy is knocking my door. Cause the fence is dreadlocks, you want with trim, yeah? Mine I eat too much crab, you know. Mine I eat too much crab. Suck out your mother when I eat straight. Play by the famous sound called the Jar out of International. I'm not sure anymore which pussy is knocking my door. The faces that I know get so sunny and blue. Now I can feel it in the sky and all my heart now start to cry and then a size already die. I'm say now I feel it and I cry. When them I go stop kill out the superstar. Like how Bob Marley die, Jacob Miller die. Them kill Peter Touch and them just out free. I know them want this Apache. You know a pussy will have to fly. And oh me ball. Enough man are dead, me ball. Enough man are dead cause them lick down Jackie Rider and them just out fat dead and leave and clip dead as a crackhead and so big surprise them just out Wally Dread. They don't have me bed and you say King to be dead. They call up for that me you say Jack Ruby dead and I just the other day when Papa Tayan dead. A guy touch me window, a bloody go shed one go tell him it's a cat him have him a take him head card. Black and red and foot and head and ball it out in farm of it dead and shout it out in farm of it dead and wall up your face. All up. The week of the man called Donovan Champion Selection and play by the king of Zala. Bring the song called Killamanjaro into international.
All respect.
Now I will go and hold tight for respect straight up to the man saying I wanna play this when it comes in. Easy.
My heart is filled with so much sound.
I am full of mix selector. Well up.
I'm gonna call Jeremy.
All ganja man hold tight. All on dreadlocks and all ballet. Hang on, come over the band.
My heart is filled with so much sound and I need you.
Sound called Ninjaman.
To call my own, to fall in love is what every sound dreaming of.
I call Donovan Champion Selection and play by the king of the library.
Life is too short to leave alone without Jaro to call my own. I will care for you, Jaro will care for me. Jaro will live forever. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love that I long for. Shower me with Jaro. Shower me with the sound that I'm searching for.
Like original part 2 style dreadlocks.
Play by the king, cause I love it all I bring. But I tell you, Papa Jara, keep you rocking and sing. Come tell you, don't get up on your mic, because them can't whine, them can't grind, them can't do a thing, cause the coke pipe mash them up. The coke pipe mash them up. Bye, all the one lick it from morning, can't stop again. All the one lick it from morning, can't stop again. Bye, just jump around if you don't live rap. Wall up your one cause you not go do that. Shout it out, you know it's on the frack. Ball it out, you know about budget lock. But I know for them I talk about them about budget lock. But I still see I got some a mock. Cause no for them I wolf me say in a shape rock. Them still a lick coke me say on a melt rock. And I fall a soup and I eat on the frack. Will them beat them badly and cut off them dreadlock. Got them out of Zion with the baranda shot just. Pipe on a boy if the boy a bow cat. Lick a shot, him a hit on the frack. Junior cat up on your mic and him a chat. Me chatting for the slim and me a go chatting for the fat. Cause I spend time me escape from outer cell block. And the only life man from outer Kendall crash. Anything try fit turn to it and fit on back. Cause me proud to be black and that's an angel back. And me say black and the color for the ace. Come in my mouth.
Alright. Pull up actually. Here I know. There's some local man nowadays I use them mouth starter to home room and sheep out on a woman god. You then turn now, come up actually. All of the bow man them. Look at some virgin packer from Kabla, second. Papa Charlie, bounce on the big marshal, the passion, dedicate to our own boy and gonna have set straight. Watch me now, stand. Hear me now. Punks kidding. I'm at them out of grind, move it again for a now. Punks kidding. Oh, I'm at them out of grind, move it. Some man dirty, boy, some man dirty, them dirty, them dirty. Boy, some man dirty, boy, some man dirty, boy, some man dirty, them dirty, them dirty. You have some man, them really bad dirty. No stop, use them mouth and suck out y'all punny. Stretch out them tongue and lick out y'all body. God make Adam, Adam was unhappy in the beautiful garden. Adam was lonely. Fi comfort him, God make Eve the lady. He didn't make Tom, Dick and Harry. Me no know how comes. Devana Ogo Barry, a kiss and caress. In brethren Johnny, look a woman then sweet and nice and sexy in a strapless brassiere and French cut panty with the tight and neat and clamity. Yet still some man left a still a fuck party. Ass and cow, mule and even donkey. Puss, what? And donkey cubby. Example for set, but then not set any. If I go I catch ears for him, me no sorry. Cause me never tell him fi go choke man. But I'm at the barrel when me hide. He will laugh for me money. Not this or something some young cute them a study. I wear skin blouse and I show them belly. Cock off them and push out them body. I wear tight just like me girlfriend when he go want a pair of titty. Fit on one lady. Well me not done yet. Cause me just ready. Well now me I go tell you about daughter and daddy. Daddy sitting daughter in a French cut panty. A mama and a top about daughter get sexy. And him a grow her from she was just a baby. Now she get fat, sexy and ready. He want licky fuss before anybody. Daughter get fixed and start give it to Johnny. Left from Johnny and start give it to Jimmy. And start do some things where workless and dirty. I draw down man zip like she have worked on a zippery. I draw down them brief and I suck off them cockroach in a me house. Nyam off me for me. Well now me I go tell you about some dreadlocks natty. Some dreadlocks nowadays not have no reality. A same thing. Dreadlocks must always happy. Now when they go a country go look for them granny. Then granny give them pork tin, mackerel and bammy. Then yam it off fast. Lick off all the gravy. You have some ballad. Well them do easy. Then sniff them coke and them get cherry. Lay down on the bed. Them and them lady a kiss and caress and rub down the belly. Then use them mouth and suck out the post your nose was a do a post your spot you da put it. Boy some man dirty. Boy some man dirty. Boys hold on. One more lick up actually. You think I'm man alone dirty? Here's some man turn now. Here's some man turn now. Hear me now. Banks kidding. I'm a them out of going, move it again, follow me now. Punky them, whoa, I'm a them out of going, move it. So not easy, whoa, so not easy, they're not easy, they're not easy. Whoa, so not easy, whoa, so not easy, whoa, so not easy, they're not easy, they're not easy. You are some woman, well them do easy, then we do anything. If you hurt anybody, you know woman, yeah, he red like cherry, and them can catch a fire when them see man with money. Them want if he buy fandangles and luxury like wait name the thing, they will live down on Miss Matty. You see them on the road, you check say them a lady through them avant mascara and them face look pretty, walk pretty talk, and them look fancy, but when you check them out, them slack and dirty. They have 5 to 10 man in every city. This evening with Tom, tonight with Harry. Before they light them, each up with Barry. Me I go show you how me know some woman not easy. They have a dozen man, yes, feed them honey. One a married man with wife and 3 pitney. Sweetheart get ready, I want all of the money, so she go up your man. Go fuck with monkey, if he tie the man pan her like donkey and Kobe. The man turn fool and start act funny and pick out the head back like soul party wash slip and brassiere. Some big bingo baggy sweep up yard wash plate. No an empty chimney while the woman they a fence. I talk to her only if the man ever talk, she beats him with her panty. Woman always put man in a misery. 25% of them always nasty, cool in nigga, Syrian and Chinese. When them beat and take off them dirty panty, throw in a corner for roach and rat yummy. Money bring friend, money bring enemy. Some woman get tricked just through money. Take them friend man, then turn round sorry. Cause the man use them and go back go tell them honey. How much a friend I have no calamity. All she have is a big water pony. Some woman make some man angle them like dolly. Not abuse them and don't give them a quatty ungle thing then get a kick in them body and the big tiff long john. I throw up them belly. Whoa, some woman not easy. Whoa, some woman not easy. Whoa, some woman not... Hold on! Oh, yeah, I know. All gunman set straight. The longest lyrics you never hear in life. Come up, actually. I want to see me. Longest lyrics you never hear in life. Papa Chowdy, most of them marshal the partial. Let it get out. We go and go and set straight. Easy papa from Kabla. Watch me now. Rip, punk, see them. I'm a them out of way, move it again, follow me now. Rip, punk, see them. Whoa, I'm a them out of way, move it. You know, hard for fire, no gonna hard for fire. Follow me now, hard for fire, no gonna hard for fire. Follow me now, hard for fire, no gonna hard for fire. You know, gun business are invading a Jamaica. Starting from Charlie, the whole ram and fire. You throw in the balls and throw in the gunpowder. Squeeze the trigger, appear smoke all over. On the front line, the liquor tip ranger. Used by woman and a push and a gambler. Used in a club and in a casino. Then one pop, yes, it come take over bill by get to use. I fit them desire, you want make a one game. And the backfire, lick out your eye people, turn you in a laughter. Then 45, the long mouth full of cold. The police a bad man. Yeah, and all.
Wagwan ENT.